Have you ever wondered why you hate the sound of your own voice on a recording? Have you ever wondered why you cringe the moment you hear your own voice on a recording? It's not because something is wrong with your voice. It's because your brain has been lying to you your entire life. When you talk, you hear your voice in two ways: through the air and through vibrations inside your skull. Those vibrations make your voice sound deeper, warmer, and more familiar. But when you hear a recording, you're hearing your voice the way everyone else hears it, without the bone vibrations that make it sound richer. This mismatch creates a psychological effect called the voice confrontation. Your brain rejects the real version because it doesn't match the version it's used to. So next time you hate how you sound in a video, just remember, your voice isn't bad. Your brain is just experiencing a reality check.